Hello everyone, welcome back to E-Classes of Commerce Standard 12. In this video, let's continue our topic training and development. In our last video, we have completed training and its importance. In this video, we are going to learn development and its importance. Let's have a look on meaning of development. Let's read the meaning of development. Top level management and departmental heads have more of intellectual work than physical work, so special training is given to them. The objective of this training is to increase their mental ability and their efficiency in taking policy decisions. That means special training programs are arranged for top level management as they play major role in development and growth of business unit by taking major policy decisions. Due to such training, top level management and departmental heads become expert in technological knowledge and skills and accordingly plan to take major policy decisions. This training is also called officer development, as in modern times and with upcoming changes, such development programs are must to be conducted to increase ability of top level management. Hence, it can be said that development is all about preparing the employees and top level management for challenging opportunities in future. Let's study the importance of development in more detail. First point, increase in technical knowledge. Development gives proper guidance to top level management about technical skills, machineries and methods so that they can use practically whenever needed with changing business conditions. And it helps top level management to take positive decisions for organization. Second point, research and new ideology. Development program provides knowledge about new research, technologies and inventions due to which efficiency of departmental heads increases to work at administration level. Third point, development of organization. As in present times, each and every organization conducts development programs for overall development due to which top level management can easily adopt new changes and strategies in organization, which helps to take organization at national and international level. That means there is development of organization. Fourth point, optimum use of resources. Once the development program is conducted in organization to provide knowledge and skills to top level management and departmental heads and employees, all of them start working efficiently using minimum resources that will result in reduction of wastage and unnecessary expenses, and it will control cost production and it will lead increase in profit. Fifth point, solution to problems. Development helps to provide solutions that arise with changing circumstances, as top level management has been given training to deal with such new arising problems. Sixth point, effective supervision. As departmental heads are updated with modern technologies, skills, machineries, and methods, so they can effectively supervise the employees and workers for their work. Seventh point, reduces stress. Development program helps to reduce stress of management and departmental heads, as such programs train them to deal with upcoming challenges and while taking decisions for organization they don't have any confusion or any stress. Eighth point, development programs. Such development programs in modern times are conducted by each and every organization, which helps officers to meet future challenges and adopt suitable changes in the business. So here we have completed importance of development, revised the topic. Thank you.